Good morning. This is Miss Kimberly. I just wanted to touch base before I erase my board this morning. I had a student that was here yesterday that wanted to work on multiplication, his assignment, and he was really frustrated because he struggled with it. So I tried to break it down in a few steps. So the first thing that I like to do is my prep work. And the way we determine what to prep is that we have the number we have at the top, 3,440 times 75. And so what I like to do is, since we start in the ones place, to prep my fives. And then for the tens place, I want to prep my sevens. So I look at the number up here, and the largest number up here in the place of value is 4. So I just did 5 through 5 times 1 through 5 times 4. 5 times 0, a fifth grader definitely should know these. However, if they don't know all of them, they should know the zeros. So I didn't include that in here. So I did the prep work. And then that is our step 1. And then what I did was I prepped for this number in particular. So 5 times 0, 4, 4, and 3. 5 times 0, 4, 4, and 3. So I wrote those out so that you can use that as a reference point. And all of this is in the ones place. And then the 7 is in the tens place. So you have to make sure that you put your place value, the 0, on the next line in the ones place. And then do the same thing for your 7, 0, 4, 4, and 3. Multiply that for your tens place. So then you'll see here, I have the ones place in red. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. We can see that in our reference. So you put the 2 there and the 0 there. 5 times 4 is 20 again, plus 2. So we have the 2 here and the 2 here, 22. And then we have 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. So we have our 17 down here. So I did the tens place in a different color, in green, so that you can kind of see that. So we can still use our reference over here. We put our 0 in the next line, and then we started in the tens place. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry my 2. See that 2 in green. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. So I have my 3 there, my 0 there. And then 7 times 3 is 21. And then add 3. And then that's 24. And then you can add the bottom from here. So you would just add from your ones column. So that would be a 0, a 0, a 10. So you put the 0 there. Carry your 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 2, you bring that down. So you can see that. But the most important part to break it down in bite-sized chunks is to do your prep work. Have all that ready so that this number doesn't look so large. You just multiply this. And so you can have that there. So when you get there, you can just kind of bounce. Know that your ones place. Make sure that you place your 0 on the next line. And then do the 7. And then you add. So those are the bite-sized chunks, and it makes it more manageable for a lot of children. So I hope that helps, and talk to you soon. Bye.